Westermans here with a guillotine, which is losing a little bit of hydraulic oil at the minute, so seal needs doing on the ram. Obviously cutting as it should do. Back gauge. Change hands on the camera. Not quite sure of the operation on this, but foot control was working, but I believe the limit switch is now stuck on. You can see more details available on this and other machines, westermans.com. Obviously they definitely need some oil in it. The actual back guards there. Leaking from one ram on that side. So obviously seals need doing. Get yourself a bargain. Nice cheap guillotine. Somebody who wants to do a seal. Thank you for looking.